Hi, my name is Eve Thomas and I am a vet at Builth Wells veterinary practice. So lambing ewes can be associated with lots of risks to women. So there's infectious diseases that they can get from sheep, and it can be contaminated bedding, hurdles, sort of fencing, equipment, as well as the birthing fluids, the afterbirth and newborn lambs themselves as well. There are several diseases that can be problematic. There's some that people are probably more aware of than others, and I'm not going to give a full list. So just a few examples would be toxoplasmosis, enzootic abortion, which is chlamydia, and then there's listeria, salmonella as well. So you just really need to be avoiding contact of any of those risk factors. So it's obviously quite extensive, really. So I think the main thing with this is being really aware all the time. So just have it in the forefront of your mind, and it's hygiene, hygiene, hygiene. So disinfecting your pens, washing your hands really thoroughly. If you've got washing facilities outside of the house, then using that as a wash station, sort of a first wash station before you go in. I mean, most farmers are going to be wearing overalls anyway, but thinking about washing those down before they go into the house, and then taking their clothes off and not allowing their pregnant partner to touch the clothes, so that just avoiding all contamination points, and then also thinking about touch points, so like door handles, those sorts of things, and just disinfecting, and like disinfecting round the sink areas. And if they're not sure what disinfectant to use, then their vets will be able to help advise of appropriate ones, and also SQPs in sort of farm supply shops will have that information, so that they know that they've got everything on hand that they need, and that they're using appropriate hand wash and things like that as well. So if farmers are having an abortion outbreak, then as soon as they notice any ewes abort, then they should contact their vet. And we can get them to come in and bring some samples in. We can take samples from lambs and send them off. Then we can hopefully find out what the problem is. There's various vaccines available for some of the conditions, so we can talk about implementing vaccine protocols if they don't already do that once we've got a diagnosis, and then we can help them with various treatments as necessary, really, once we know what's going on.